Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and getting to the page you want to search. Once the page is visible, look at the top address bar. It acts as your web search field. If you need to find a word on the current page, use the Find function. If you want web results, type into the address bar. Make sure to think on-page versus web results because that changes which tool you use next and saves time down the line. Now choose the appropriate method. For on-page search, tap the share icon or the menu and select Find on Page. Type the exact word or phrase, then jump between matches. For web search, type keywords directly into the address bar, use quotes for exact matches, and tap Enter to get results. Once done, scan snippets or highlighted matches to confirm relevance. This separation helps you target a single page quickly or broaden the query across the web when needed. Finish by refining and verifying what you found. If results are noisy, add quotes for exact phrases, shorten queries, or swap synonyms to broaden matches. Use plus signs to require terms. If Find fails to highlight, reload the page, close and reopen the tab, or switch to a different tab to confirm. Make sure to update Safari and restart the device if search repeatedly misbehaves. That often fixes indexing or rendering glitches and restores reliable searching quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.